Hello everybody, Jack here, and today I'm going to teach you how to find a job online. I'm going to teach you how to get rejected every single day. You just got to apply and apply and apply and apply and apply. If you are getting rejected, then it's only a matter of time before you get what you want. And most people I know who are looking for jobs, they're so scared of rejection that they go through a period where they just apply 1 to 3 jobs and then they wait. You cannot wait for places to get back to you. We got to get you rejected. That's what you should focus on. Fuck this getting a job thing. That's just what happens when you get rejected every single day, right? I'm going to go to Indeed.jobs. But I'm going to have a problem. I'm in Nicaragua, right? So when I search for something, let's say I search for instructor, nothing's going to show up, right? What you have to do is go to Google and then search for Indeed work from home jobs. And for some reason, if you do this, then boom, magically see 300,000 jobs. Now, I'm going to show you the process that you'll use to find jobs. You'll pick a keyword that's related to the kind of job that you have some kind of talent, some kind of experience in. If you haven't done anything, look at customer service. You can always find a customer service job if you understand English. Once you've figured out the keyword that you want to search for that's relevant to you, I'm going to use Spanish. I need to apply the filters. Again, I only am looking for part-time jobs, and I'm going to look down. Most of your time will be spent reading the ads. You don't have to read everything, because what you should focus on is first identifying if it's even possible for you to apply. Let's take this one as an example. We're going to scroll down. Usually you should go to the bottom of the ad, and then scroll up to start looking for requirements. Here you can see there's a line that says you must live in Florida, Illinois, Indiana, New Mexico, Ohio, Kansas, or Texas. So that means we wouldn't be able to use this one, and we would immediately just go to the next one. And scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then scroll up. All of the jobs show up in a column on the left, and sometimes there will be multiple pages. As you click on a job, you can see more information on the right. Scroll down, see more information. Some jobs allow you to apply on Indeed itself. Sometimes you do aptitude tests and spoken things. You need to get in the habit of applying. Once you're at that point, sure, you can be perfect. But until you grow the habit of applying, you will not find anything. Even if you don't live in the US, you can use this process to apply to a large amount of jobs, and eventually you get lucky and find a person, they're open-minded to hiring someone overseas. So you can use this process to find a job as long as you speak English, no matter where you are in the world. It's still possible to find work, okay? It's just, you're gonna get rejected more. That's the reality. Doesn't mean the opportunity isn't there. It doesn't matter how educated you are. It doesn't matter how confident you are. You must apply. And if you don't value yourself, how do you expect other people to find value in you? You have value. These companies are not just giving you this great opportunity as they like to paint it. They are paying you for your time, which is valuable. And without you, their company cannot function. But that is a reality of all jobs. Don't let people play you and waste your energy fixing their problems, even though they're constantly saying they're a great place to work for. Everybody loves them, blah, blah, blah. The more people talk, the more they're probably lying, okay? Value yourself. It's very important. You must value yourself and focus on rejection. This is how you find jobs. So now that we've added all of our things, part-time, remote, we can actually start looking around. The way Indeed works, you're gonna learn some terms that you like. All right, I'll show you mine. Mine are podcast, host, video, and content. These are how I find jobs that are kind of relevant to me. If I can find a job with this kind of attitude, you can too. I mean, look at me, come on. I don't shower enough. I wear old clothes. I smell. I am not really able to get a traditional job. So I accept that. That's okay. I'm not trying to convince anybody that I want that either. But I know that as long as I maintain the habit of looking for golden, I just got to get rejected a lot, right? Before you can really start searching, though, it's important that you make a resume and a cover letter. Go to docs.google.com if you have a Google account, and then click on the resume template. It's one of the first one that shows up. Gives you a basic template. Put your name, just replace this stuff with some things you've done. Don't worry too much about it. If you have degrees and certifications to show off, it's really worth putting a lot of time into your resume. But if you don't have that kind of thing and you don't look good on paper, that's how I am. I don't look good on paper. I'm able to like wow people in interviews and really be charismatic and be on point. I have a lot of street experience, so to speak, right? Like I've been out there and living for a long time on the online world. And to people who value that, they like that. But a lot of people don't value that. And that's going to be how it works with whatever your skill is as well. If you apply to people who don't value the things you have skills in, they're not going to overlook that you're from a foreign country or whatever. But if you apply to the right situations, then eventually you will get lucky. For a cover letter, you can also use Google Docs. I'll just mouse over this real quick. You're better off just having a generic one unless you have a degree. Like if you have actual certifications, it's worth putting more time into this. But if you don't, it's just better to have a cover letter that explains who you are a bit. But you shouldn't think that people are going to put time into actually reading this stuff. Most people who look at job applicants look at hundreds of applications, and they only give whatever they see from you between 20 to 40 seconds. Like, for example, if you're ever asked to make a video, be like, why are you good for our company? And you make a video that's longer than 30 seconds, they probably won't watch it. And I know that because I've made like 1 minute videos. I can see when they watch it and how long they watch it for. And I can tell you that they only watch it for 20 to 30 seconds. People go through things very fast. You don't have very much time to make an impression. So it's really important that you leverage your abilities and communicate with people who at least might view your abilities as advantageous. Okay? Don't worry too much about having the cover letter be perfect. Just get something made. You can use a template. That's okay. Just have something and you can improve it as you want to. Once you have a cover letter and a resume, then you want to make sure that you go to File and you download as a PDF, okay? If you just download it as a Microsoft Word document, then Indeed's not going to accept it. You need it to be in PDF format, okay? If you like this content and you want to support me making more content, then please go to the top link of this description and check out my course on Udemy about living in Nicaragua. If you want me to make more videos about life in Nicaragua as a foreigner, then check out this course and support me by purchasing it. It's only ever going to be $10 or $20. It's not an expensive course. And the more of you who buy this, it shows me I can make more Nicaragua videos without worrying about income. I only need a couple $100s a month to be fully motivated. So if more of you buy this course, you will get more videos directly from Nicaragua. And if you want any other kind of content, then comment below and let me know what you want to learn about. I will make a video specifically for you. Please support me by checking out this course. Again, it's usually only 10 or 20 bucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.